Miss Chen. The unit for today is reporting verbs. Let's move right into it. There are 3 groups of reporting verbs. Group 1, agree, offer, refuse, promise, and threaten. With Group 1 reporting verbs, you need to put an infinitive verb after it. This means a Group 1 verb plus 2 plus another verb. For instance, offer to help. Maria offered to help Nancy with her homework. 她拒绝接受我的礼物。拒绝 refuse. 接受 accept. The whole sentence will be, he refused to accept my gift. Okay, let's move on to the second group of reporting verbs. They are advise, persuade, ask, remind, convince, tell, encourage, warn, and invite. With the second group of reporting verbs, we need to put a person behind it and then add to and another verb. For instance, my father asked me to clean my room. And that's practice saying, 我的妈妈提醒我弟弟去做功课。提醒 remind, 弟弟 little brother, 做功课 do his homework. Put everything together and it's, my mother reminded my little brother to do his homework. Okay, the third group of reporting verbs are recommend, admit, regret, suggest, deny, apologize to somebody for, insist on, accuse somebody of, and blame somebody for. With the third group, we put a gerund after the verb. A gerund means verb ing. First, I want to talk about recommend, admit, regret, suggest, and deny, plus a verb ing. We can say, he denied using my laptop without my permission. What about, 他后悔昨天在购物中心花太多钱。后悔 regret, 花太多钱 spend too much money. The whole sentence is, she regretted spending too much money in the mall yesterday. The final part we needed to practice is apologize to someone for, accuse somebody of, blame someone for, and insist on. We put a gerund after these reporting verbs. Here's an example. She apologized to her friend for showing up late. 我坚持要每天读一个故事给我的小孩听。坚持 insist on. 读一个故事 read a story. Let's put the sentence together. I insist on reading a story to my children every day. Okay, everybody, keep on going. I'll see you soon.